Hey, welcome back to Tank's Home Cooking, and today I'll be showing you how to make my homemade chicken and waffles. Let's go check this out. This is the night before, right? So we're gonna go with 2 cups of our dill pickle juice. Okay, we have here about 6 drumsticks, 4 thighs. All right, so we're gonna leave this overnight, and we'll go on from there. Okay, for our seasoning flour, we're gonna go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, we're gonna go throw in our. Okay. So here we're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Okay, 2 tablespoons of our onion powder. Okay, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. One teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A teaspoon and a half of celery salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Okay, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, a tablespoon of black pepper. 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, all right? Okay, 2/3 cup of panko. Okay, these have been brined overnight, and we just dry them out and then ready to fry. Okay, in our pre-batter section, this is what we have: 2 cups of flour with additional, okay, 2 12 fluid ounces of beer, and mix that well. Okay, so this is how the process is going to be. Okay, we're going to take our chicken into our wet. Okay, make sure all the excess liquid is out. Okay, into our dry. Boom. Okay, pack it in just like this. Okay. Okay, remove the excess flour. Just like that, okay? Alright, here you go. Okay. Ready. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start our wet batter first for our waffles. We're gonna go with 4 eggs. Okay. Just about 3.5 cups of buttermilk. Alright, so I messed up. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna transfer this to a bigger bowl. We're throwing 1 whole packet of butter, which is 2 sticks, okay, in there. Okay, and we're gonna give this a good mix-a-rooney. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Okay, don't mind it, just go with it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it's room temperature butter too. So yeah, you're gonna have a hard time. I'm just telling you, you're gonna have a hard time once you use cold butter, but melted butter is fine too. Your call. All right, for our dry ingredient here, we're gonna go in with 3.5 cups of flour. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, we're going with 5 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Okay, and we'll go in with this. We'll go in with a tablespoon of kosher salt. Okay, what I would like to do, what I recommend to do is just mix your flour in. Okay, make sure everything is incorporated. All right, once you mix all your flour and all the dry ingredients together, I throw in our wet batter. Okay, on top. Now just gently mix in your ingredient. There you have it, folks. It may look chunky, but you're gonna find out. Okay, so in our pot here, we're gonna throw just about, I would say, 1.5 quart of cooking oil. Okay, canola oil is what I'm using today. Check if our fire is ready. Okay. You can see this. You see the air bubbles coming off of my chopstick. Okay. Any wooden skewers will work too, but this is how you check if your oil is ready. Drumsticks going in. Make sure you shake off the excess. Okay. Then into the Earl. Okay, I would say drumsticks would take typically about 12-15 minutes, and thighs I would say about 17 to 20 minutes. But it's good to temp your chicken just to make sure. All right, folks, so our waffle iron's ready. Okay, how we're gonna serve this is in a 2/3 cup per serving. So throw that in. Okay, just like that. Okay, setting is about 80% towards the max. Okay, we'll let this go until it's ready. Check it out. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay. Okay, so we're just about 20 minutes. Okay. Let's see our chicken here. Check it out. That's about right there. Good. It took a while because I got a bigger pot and the chicken wasn't to room temperature, so the cook time is gonna prolong. Okay. Put that on your cooling rack. Okay. All right, so here we go. Second piece of fry. Well, I come to find out, your first initial fry is not gonna be as golden, but check this out. Look at that. Okay. All right, folks. So let's get this thing ready. Okay, boom. See? Okay. Okay, we got that. Let me throw in some of our whipped butter. See? Love you, Bella. See? Maple syrup. Oh, it's good. Huh? Thank you. Okay, maple syrup. All right, follow me. Okay. All right, folks. There you have it, folks. Check this out. Okay. Look at that juicy chicken. Ooh. Oh yeah, man, that's really good. Look, that juicy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time.